Hi guys, I hope you are doing well. Welcome to my channel. In this clip, I want to introduce a new technique for compressing some sprites in our project, or even dicing them and combine some sprites together and make just one asset in our project folder. Okay, let's take a look at this technique which called sprite dicing. Uh, Alieringos released this technique, this the whole project 6 months ago. It's almost new. I will share this link into the description of this video. You just need to download the whole project and use their project, or even you can just drag and drop assets folder into your project folder. After you do that, you will see it has samples, sprite dicing tests. For example, in the samples, let's take a look at this animation folder. We have, imagine we're gonna have an animation clip with using these motions and these frames actually, but they are a lot. Look at this, many users, almost 60 or 65 frames, which is a lot, and management of them in our project is hard. Okay, but there is a technique. Let me to remove this guy. There is a technique here which says, okay, let's combine all of these frames. We should come over here into the assets. After you added the sprite dicing package to your project, you will see into the create. Here you have a diced sprite atlas. Okay, I call it Abelfast test. Okay, now into the disk panel, you just need to say, okay, which folder and which assets you wanna uh, dice them and compress them. Uh, we say, okay, all of the frames are inside this animation folder. Just drag and drop this folder into your input folder field in the inspector and say, okay, it is the atlas size limit, it's 2048, and in here it's a dice unit size. It can be 128 here, and it can be 4096, for example, to make it smaller. And it says everything is fine, and just build the atlas. Okay, it takes time, but uh, within this process it tries to combine all of the frames into 2 or 3 images. As you can see, these 3 images are combination of all of these 60 frames. Look at this. And now it is frame 1, 2, and 3. In here we can have all of these frames separately inside this Abelfast test. So we can even remove this folder because we already have them as just 4 files. And for example, right now we wanna have an animation clip with using these frames. First, let's make a new empty scene here. Just open the Abelfast test or whatever you called your atlas file. Select them if you wanna make an animation clip. Select all of them, and after that drag and drop into your scene and say, okay, Abelfast animation. That's it. It's made. It's ready. Look at this. It is 100% correct and no problem in the frames. Even if we want to have another clip, for example, this is Sprite 1, Sprite 11, just that. I want to use Sprite 11. It's a kind of atlas, actually. Here, it is a Sprite 29. Look at this. And even we can use this technique as well. Change them by any sprite you want. Or even here, for example, in the flat, says just that. And remember, if you want to use them, you should have all frames inside one folder and put your atlas file outside the element, your folder of frames, and don't mix them up inside together. Okay, I hope this tutorial will be helpful for you. Don't hesitate to ask any question related to Unity, AR, VR, and XR. Subscribe my channel and like this video if you like it. Have a great time. Bye bye.